Hey everyone, welcome back to Dream Autos, the channel where your dream cars come to life. Today we're diving into the all-new 2026 Mercedes GLE, a luxury SUV that continues to push boundaries in performance, comfort, and tech. Whether you're a Mercedes enthusiast or just looking for your next high-end SUV, this one's worth a closer look. At first glance, the 2026 GLE showcases a refined evolution of its already iconic design. The front grille has been updated with a more aggressive yet sophisticated look, framed by slimmer LED headlights that give it a sharper, more focused expression. Subtle tweaks in the body lines and aerodynamic details bring a sleeker silhouette without compromising the GLE's confident stance. Mercedes has taken elegance and given it a modern edge. Under the hood, the GLE lineup now includes a range of updated mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid powertrains. The GLE 450, for example, features a 3.0-liter inline-six with mild hybrid tech that delivers both power and efficiency. For those seeking even more muscle, the AMG GLE 53 and GLE 63S variants offer breathtaking performance with enhanced dynamics, now supported by improved suspension systems for a smoother, more responsive ride. Inside the cabin, Mercedes has once again set the bar high. The 2026 GLE features the latest version of the MBUX infotainment system with a dual display setup that's crisper and more intuitive than ever. Voice control is smarter, and new AI-driven personalization features adjust settings based on your habits. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Burmester 3D surround sound system come standard on most trims. Luxury is felt in every detail, from the supple Nappa leather seats to the ambient lighting that can be customized in dozens of colors. Rear passengers aren't left out either, with available heated and ventilated seats, extra legroom, and even entertainment screens for long drives. The optional third row adds versatility without sacrificing comfort. Safety and driver assistance. Get a major upgrade in this new model. The 2026 GLE comes standard with an advanced suite of features including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a new predictive road surface scan that adjusts the suspension before hitting bumps or potholes. It's smart, seamless, and helps make every drive more relaxing. Mercedes hasn't just built another luxury SUV. They've redefined what a luxury SUV should be in 2026. It's powerful, efficient, stylish, and filled with innovation that puts the driver and passengers first. Whether you're navigating city streets or hitting the open highway, the GLE delivers an experience that's hard to beat. If you're dreaming of your next premium SUV, the 2026 Mercedes GLE should definitely be on your list. Let us know in the comments what you think of the updates, and if you choose this over its BMW or Audi rivals. Thanks for watching Dream Autos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future reviews. See you in the next video where we bring you even closer to your automotive dreams.